Hello, welcome back. It's a new year, we're back in the unit. You caught me mid-job. I forgot to pick up the camera, but I've just got the E46 up at the minute. Currently I'm changing the gearbox mount bushers because these are old and wobble about a lot. Nice to do poly mounts to go instead, so they'll go there. Should stop my gear stick wobbling about while I'm putting power down. Yeah, so we're doing that. I've then got to go pick up some deliveries because my final parts have turned up for the trailer, which is the main aim of today. Of course, hopefully that car will be going on here today, hopefully. But yeah, first job of today, like I say, is changing these. I won't be able to see it on camera, but they are really focus cracked and old. Like I say, you see how much that's just from squeezing them a little bit. These are way more solid, so I'm gonna get on with changing them. Easy as that. Which means they should, and that shouldn't wobble. So that shouldn't wobble about now while I'm driving. Happy days. Okay, back in the unit. Can confirm coffee good switch right now, which is fun. But yeah, so that's all good now. I think I still need to do some rear suspension bits, but save that for a later date. For now, got some deliveries. So got that. Got a cup of tea. Let's see what's in the box. I mean, obviously first got new play lights because the ones I got from Alfred's, they weren't the best. So anyway, big box. I think these should be. Where my blades have gone. So, box one. So they're wheel straps, sidecar down there. Oh, I've got new FA 8 ones. They looked right on pictures, and I did measure them, so I think I remember the measurements right, so hopefully they fit. If not, I'm obviously having them back, but we'll soon see in a minute. Nice heavy duty. Tie down points to bolt to the chassis to actually put the straps to. Job one, brakes. So I say I want to put the handbrake on, make sure it's not rolling about while I'm trying to put the car on. The original brakes are fucked, you'll see. I had to glue them back together to put it back together, so I have to actually like kind of put it back. Anyway, let's see if these have got the right ones. They look the same size to me. Ta-da! And they're on. These are going a bit spangly, but I don't really care, they're held on. So they're in the right place. So now we should just be able to. Good. On. One set of brakes done. Now for good measure, I'm just going to get another square on top and then just cap it up. Like now to adjust the brake, we've then got to go around back, and I don't know if you'll be able to see any of this, but there's a little hole there, and that's where you've got to put your screwdriver in. I'm happy at that. It feels right. Cool. Now I'll build the side back up. Do the other side. Okay. There it is. Should fit. fits. Very snug. That's that wheel. That's that wheel. Out back. Oh, I've got loads of room on this side, so back's fine. But front, yeah, she's snug. That's sick. I'm buzzing on that. It actually fits. Tyres are flat. And front tyres up. Okay, so the rain came back in, car's back up, trailer's back up. I am over the moon it actually fits, so that's like a huge relief. It means I can actually crack on. So I've been cutting for the tie down points and to cut all sections out. So I'm currently just on to do that. I've done 2, 3, I've got another 5 to go. So I'll set the camera down, we'll do a little time lapse. Okay, it is now 6:15 at night. All my tie downs, ratchet points are all in. Nice and secure. All 8, all the way down. Brakes are done. Also, I just realised I never gave a full rundown of what I've actually done with the trailer. So I got this trailer cheap, picked up for $3.50. Worked quite wide enough, a bit scabby, not been used properly. So, got cheap. I've had to add spacers down behind the wheel, move the entire deck outwards to fit the car. That's why I had to test fit it earlier. I don't know if I actually said that, but that's why. But yeah, so as we stand now, straps are good. I've got to finish the lights, clean it all, paint it. Mud guards, I need to trim this piece here as well. I'm going to put a curve to it around here. But yeah, other than that, trailer's really ready. Hello, welcome back, day 2. So, last few jobs today. Obviously get ready so I can go drift. Last final jobs on the trailer. First one, adjust this brake. It's not quite as tight as this one, so it's not holding on handbrake like that one is, so it's not balanced. So yeah, I had to adjust that. Easy job. Whip wheel off. Whilst wheel off, I said I'm going to trim these so they've got a bit of a radius. So then that tire's got clearance, so we'll do the same outside to match. Sand it all down. Quick sand down with grinder and get all this off. Paint it up. Got rear reflectors to put on still. So there they are. Easy jobs today. Oh, I've got number plate lights to put on as well. But yeah, once all this is done today, I'm ready for drift season. All I need is money, basically. I've still got a set of tyres from my last drift day, they're still there. Car's fine, it's running and driving fine, gearbox melt change now, it drives a lot better. And then, I imagine, hopefully next video, hopefully I'll be drifting, I hope. If not, I'll get back on and we should be working on the Mark 1 again. Right, on with trailer work. Okay, so, brakes adjusted, set, happy. Next job I'm going to do real quick is this jockey wheel. See, I've only got on 2 bolts here. It's just a bit wobbly, I don't know how to say it, but yeah, it wobbles about a bit. So it's a good spot there and a good spot there. So I'm just going to wang a couple more through bolts through. And then while I'm up here, I'm also going to fix the problem with the winch, which I'll run through in a minute. So quickly do this. Okay, that's good. Put that there for now. Yeah, they're all tight now, not wobbly. Next job is the winch. So this is the control. This is to stop it. Bolts control this side, back and forth. Controls this lock, which lets it go one way or the other. So that's let's go out. So if I work it inwards now, see how this doesn't stop it going back. We need it to stay here. Otherwise, car will roll back. I'm going to drill another hole here, and then probably another hole here, with another spring, and I'm going to change that for a fresh one, and just clean it all up, because then it should hold both ways, hopefully. Be ready. But I'll spin this round up. when that's chilling tight down there, that will stay down out the way, nice and tidy. Little things, it's the little things that matter. Okay, so I think the final dreaded job at the day is cleaning it down. Because like I said, it is not very nice. It's just a bit crispy all the way down. So I'm gonna wide wheel it all. I've already painted the frame, as you can see. This is like just a bit dirty, I think, and I've been like grinding next to it, so I'm gonna get another quick go. But yeah, I'll make it all just nice silver. Get rid of all the crispiness, because you see all scabbiness down here. It's all probably going to come back off anyway, a bit car scraping down and everything. Oh, and then I also need to do some cutting, so last job's it there, and the trailer's done. Alright, so I'm halfway through painting, and you can visibly see the difference already. Bits are still look a bit scabby, and it's supposed to do like this bit of grill here, but yeah, way nicer. Outside's better, so take it in. This is good to go. Ta-da! Painted. So, might some bits and bats that on the steering there, but I ran out of paint. I bought about 2 cans. I've done most of the trailers, to be fair. I ran out of paint to do the ramps as well, so the ramps are still scabby, sadly. So, but doesn't matter for that. Just big difference between that and that. Brakes are all good. That's all just done working. Clean, car fits, tie down points ready, got all my straps. It's good to go. Good to go. I think that will probably cap off this video. Probably a bit all over the place. Do apologise, but I'm just playing catch up now, getting things ready for drift season. That's it. Car's good. Trailer's pretty much ready. Yeah, see some work now, get some money, and then we can go to the track and have some fun. I hope you enjoyed this little random first video here, getting back in groove of things again. Like I said, hopefully we'll see you next time. Might be drifted. If not, we'll be doing some work on the old green boy. So don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.